Alright, welcome to the Twins Part 3. In Part 2 we did the rebuild on the 5 components involved in the mechanical restore of the Twin. And now I'll put it all back together. There's the gear case placed on first. Then I put the power head on. Then I put the carburetor on and did my fuel pump modification right here. There's the pulse hose coming from the modified carburetor manifold lead. And then I changed the fuel connector to a single line, and it runs to right here on the fuel pump on the other side of the diaphragm, and then out to the carburetor. Fuel line here coming into the carb. Alright, I'm going to put my magneto on, and the flywheel and the rewind starter, and she's ready to crank her up and do a barrel test and dial in the carb. Stay tuned for that. Alright, I got her in a barrel, twin number 1, and we're doing the barrel test on her. I've already fired her up and dialed in the carburetor. So this is going to be a warm start. Let's see how she does. Got a little shake to it. I feel like it's fluttering. Alright, so it's spitting and jumping and hesitating and not running. It's running good, but it ain't running good enough. So the mag plate is doing a lot of jumping around, a lot of bouncing. I see right there that it's loose. See how I can move it? So that's a problem. And I shot it with my timing light, and the spark is jumping back and forth on both sides, so we got some ignition spark issues. I'm pretty happy that it runs, but it's got to run better than that. So I'm going to work on it and give you an update after I find the problems. Later. Alright, so I think I got twin number 1 running just fine. I found 2 troubles. I found the retainer. Reason the mag plate was moving is the retainer ring holder underneath was put back in backwards. Finally figured it out and put it. Then I had a bent contact. When I put the magneto on, I bent the bottom contact, so I had to replace that contact. I want you to watch this thing run now. When I tell you it runs good, it runs good. You can idle that puppy all the way down. She just passed the bell test. Gonna head out to the bayou for a test maybe tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at Team Bikes Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.